Hello, musicians. This is Corey Taylor from skilledmusician.com, where we are helping musicians improve. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Now, a few months ago, I had the wonderful opportunity to have an amazing pianist come and teach a lesson to our membership. And the lesson he taught was on creating a vibe. And this could be used in a church setting, like talk music, or just in a anywhere setting, where you would create a vibe, as he likes to call it. And I thought this lesson was so fundamentally important that I wanted to share part of it with you all. Now, I can't share the whole thing, but I want to share part of it with you all. Now, let me just tell you, I am super excited about this one. So let me give you a little bit of background. I went to Georgia State University between the years 2008 and 2011. And when I arrived, there were so many pianists there that were phenomenal that I started calling it Piano U. I can quickly name like 7 other pianists there that were all phenomenal. They were literally unreal and have all gone on to do amazing things since graduating from being Grammy nominated to teaching at universities to being like the organist for the Atlanta Braves, doing records, tours. Like, these guys were all phenomenal. And listen, every day I came to campus, there was someone else in the practice room working on something, and it was incredible. Like, I either was in class, in the practice room myself practicing, or I was crashing someone else's practice session just to listen. Whether I was listening outside the door, or I would knock and come in and just say, "Hey, can I listen to you? Can I learn?" Because it was such an incredible time. And one of the guys that was there was a guy named Kenny Banks Jr. And now Kenny and I have many recordings of us in the practice room shedding back and forth. And listen, those recordings I still listen to today to learn, because there was such incredible stuff that Kenny was playing. Now, Kenny's playing is phenomenal. And he actually comes from a musical background with both his parents being musicians and his dad being one of the premier jazz and gospel pianists in Atlanta. And Kenny has played for literally everyone from Jennifer Holliday, India.Arie, to Russell Gunn, Joe Granston. He is phenomenal, well-versed. He even in 2019 was a finalist for the American Pianist Competition. So he is a completely well-rounded musician, and I'm excited that I get to introduce him to you today. So here is Kenny Banks Jr.
Thanks for that awesome introduction, man. It's an honor to be here, Corey. And I'm a fan of yours, man. Been checking out the stuff you've been doing, and it's awesome. So today, what brings me here is I want to speak with you all, hello out there, on creating a vibe through simple chord progressions and leading melodies. So the first thing I want to talk to you about, well, and we'll probably do everything from the key of C, just to make it simple. Okay, so the first chord we start with for this progression is C major, and we're leading. I should start here. We're leading with the E on top, starting with C major, going up to D minor, to E minor, to F, C to G, actually. It's like an A minor. It's like a G dominant 7. We're back to the top. You come back down. And this is a good way to practice to just get used to it. Do it a little faster now. So if you have that, then we'll kind of switch the voicing a little bit. We'll drop the 2, and we'll put it in the bass. Sounds like this. I'm using the wrong finger. Let's try it again with the right finger. You always come back down. Try it a little faster. That's a very common thing. A lot of people use that. You'll find that in a lot of songs, and this is something that you can do. These are just things I do a lot when I have nothing else to play, or it's just fill in music or talking music. I'll do this kind of stuff, but sometimes I'll switch up the patterns and I'll do something like maybe. So when you get really comfortable with them, you can do a little bit more. Works well in church. Works for a nice majory setting, kind of a vibe. Yeah. So let's practice some different patterns and ways you can practice this. Here's another way. And I do some flicks here and there. So if you're feeling comfortable with it, feel free to flick every now and then. I'm gonna do that again slower. I think I did that the same both ways. Let's try it again. So that's another way you can do it. You can put the A in there, and just make a pattern up for yourself that you like, that's comfortable for you. Now we're just skipping every other one. Skip a couple if you want. And that's that.
Okay, wow, that was incredible. Just that little portion. Now, as I told you, I couldn't give it all to you. It's in the membership, so if you're a member, go to the dashboard, go to courses, and it's called Talk Music in there. But listen, take these ideas and start implementing them. Now, Kenny teaches a whole lot more, using a whole lot of other ideas, pentatonics, modes, and just a lot more stuff that he adds to it to kind of really make it out. But I wanted to give you the basic idea, the fundamental idea, so that you can start exploring it. All right. So listen, send me a clip, tag me on YouTube or Instagram of you doing these ideas and let me hear what you come up with. Also, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you comment below your suggestions for videos you want to see me make. I want to make the videos you want to see. So let me know what you like. All right. So until the next one, be blessed and happy practicing.